how it worsens. Behold, a cunning collector of unique fashion, for whom puppies stirred a curious passion.
Oh, you see, perfectly misunderstood.
Ruthless,
Driven,
devious,
creative.
and dressed to kill.
Oh, I like that one.
Made it through.
Oh, what a mirror love me. Hello, my darling. That's me.
She doesn't scare you, won't even think
Untrue.
see her is to take a sudden chill.
I'm full of surprises. Hit, hit. Yes, yes, everyone knows my name. It's a curse to be so famously misunderstood. Everyone thinks they know you. Oh, hello, darling. Awestruck. And some of you do understand me.